Okay, it'll come on in just
It's
a
on
second.
now.
Okay. Hi everybody, it's Aunt Raisin coming to you kind of live. I guess we're recording this from phase 2 of the Christmas Winter Snowstorm 2009. So as you can see, the snow is coming down quite hard right now. These roads were clear just a couple of hours ago, and it just started back again. I think we've probably got about 2 inches on the ground now, and they were originally saying that we were going to get between 12 and 20. Now they're saying between 6 and 8. Either way, it's a lot of snow, man. I think that Bee and I will probably have to play in the snow later. But for right now, we're watching movies by the fire. Just wanted to make a video for y'all. We love you. Bye.